just getting started making videos, what should you talk about?
Okay, so the general rule of thumb is 80-20 rule on content. 80% personal authentic, 20% business. So if we're talking to the real estate community here, obviously that 20% should be about real estate. So for example, listing videos, open houses, what the market's doing,
Gotcha.
Video testimonials with your customers, those sort of things. But then the 80%, if not more, should be authentic personal content. And just to use an example, I would say like have 3 pillars. So
Okay.
one pillar is gonna be your business, right?
Okay.
And the other 2 pillars should be like your hobbies or your passions or the things that you're doing every single day. Create content around them and you will find you will have raving fans.
Yeah, that's a great idea. And I think coming up with those pillars, one of the things that we recommend is think about your ideal customer. So your favorite ever customer you worked with, the person you would make copies of if you could, and think about what is it that they like to do, right? What are their interests, what are their passions, and where do you overlap with that person? And if you focus on those topics, you're gonna over time attract more people just like your favorite customer.
100%. So put out more content and make more of it authentic content.
So did you find that tip useful?
Make sure you opt in with your email so we can share these with you every single day. Below, above, is it to the sides? I don't know, but you'll find it.